Every year, millions of people die from mosquito-transmitted illnesses. There are over 3,000 different kinds of mosquitoes in the world. Mosquitoes live part of their lives in the water, in part in the air, and among plants. The female mosquito lays eggs. Some kinds of mosquitoes lay their eggs in small rafts on the surface of the water. The eggs hatch into immature mosquitoes called larvae. They go to the surface and breathe air through tiny tubes. The larvae eat by drawing water through their mouths and straining out bits of food. After a few days, they change into the next stage called pupae. The pupae do not eat. They breathe through the small horns on their back and eventually undergo the dramatic changes to become adults. In a few days, the pupae break open on the water's surface and the adult mosquito emerges. The time it takes to go from egg to adult depends on the temperature and kind of mosquito. The adult is now ready to fly away. The adult will live from a few days to several weeks. The male mosquito eats plant juices. The female also eats plant juices, but will need a blood meal to lay eggs. It is this blood meal that causes so many problems. If a human, bird, or animal infected with certain diseases is bitten by a mosquito, the mosquito takes any one of these diseases into its body along with the blood. The disease agent multiplies in the mosquito's body. If the mosquito should bite another human or animal, that animal could possibly get the disease. Several of the world's most serious diseases, including malaria, encephalitis, and West Nile virus, are carried by mosquitoes. In some parts of the world, mosquito populations can grow so large that they can negatively impact commerce, tourism, and quality of life for residents. Mosquitoes may also affect domestic and farm animals. In domestic animals, mosquitoes can transmit such diseases as dog heartworm, and on dairy farms, cows may not produce much milk if they're bothered by mosquitoes. Mosquito control agencies have the job of controlling mosquitoes. The first thing mosquito control experts do is find out where mosquitoes live and lay eggs. They also find out which mosquitoes are carrying disease. Other people go out to find where mosquitoes are breeding. With all of this information, the people are able to do their work. Natural mosquito control is used whenever possible. Control agencies use mosquito fish, which are natural predators of mosquitoes. These tiny fish are released where they will eat the larvae and pupae in the water. Naturally occurring bacteria are also used to combat mosquitoes. One of the best ways to control mosquitoes is to take away the places where they live. Mosquitoes spend most of their lives in water. Some kinds of mosquitoes live in small places like tires, old cans, and anything that will hold water. These containers should be emptied and turned over so that no water can stand. Swimming pools that are not cared for are good places for mosquitoes to complete their life cycle. Vector control technicians treat these sites and can also control adult mosquitoes in the air. To do this, they use various types of specialized equipment. Educational programs and community outreach also play a vital role in creating a partnership between the vector control agencies and the public. By following simple steps, such as dumping standing water on your property, reducing your time outdoors during dusk and dawn, wearing long-sleeve shirts and pants, and contacting vector control agencies about mosquito breeding problems, you can positively impact the health of our communities by reducing the risk of disease transmission. Mosquito control is everybody's concern.